This video introduces an article that relates to a summary of evidence for soft tissue in fossils, particularly dinosaur bones, with over 122 articles having been produced, scientific papers, showing soft tissue in fossils throughout the geological column. And there's no realistic way that this can be explained other than that these soft tissue and fossils are only thousands of years old. This provides conclusive evidence for a recent worldwide flood. But alongside that, I have also included 3 videos that were produced by Philip Stott, an interesting scientist who's produced over 140 videos now on various aspects of science and how it relates to Christianity. And in these 3 videos, he, in the first one, summarizes the evidence for a recent worldwide flood, which includes many things other than soft tissue. There's a lot of evidence in other aspects of geology. But then he goes on to look at a particularly interesting concept, which is that the tilt of the Earth may well be the result of a meteorite impact at roughly the same time as the worldwide flood. And he looks at evidence of how the tilt has gradually changed over the years, and this can be seen by looking at the temples at Karnak, Stonehenge, etc., which are all meant to line up with the sun at a particular period in the year, and they don't line up anymore because the tilt of the Earth has changed. And this change of the tilt of the Earth is well known in science, but it's calibrated differently to what's actually really happening. And Stott is very good at, as it were, finding out information that has often been hidden away and not necessarily well known publicly. But the overall picture is this, that the more you dig into this, the more you realize that the evidence for a worldwide flood is there and it's abundant. And it's exactly what one would expect. For if there had been a worldwide flood, the evidence should indeed be abundant. It should be everywhere. And we are literally standing on the evidence of a worldwide flood. 4 kilometers of sedimentary rock laid down in flood conditions containing trillions of dead animals and plants. What more could you want as evidence? Sadly, we have explained it away with millions and billions of years based on radiometric dating. But this is an issue which I think has caused people not to believe the gospel, which is why I think it's so important. Well, thank you for listening.